Okay, so continuing with my food prepping the harvest, I got this huge block of cheese at Azure Standard. It is raw milk white cheddar, grass-fed, organic, A2. I love it. And so I am going to shred it up and freeze it into 1 and 2 cup portions. I am going to use it in my egg bake that I'm going to do. So I'm literally just going to cut off hunks here. Hunks of cheese. I've heard that this makes the best in recipes. We are just going to do bits of cheese and shred it in. Oh, I gotta get, Finny, I have to get my shredder attachment. Let me get that. Silly me. We cannot shred cheese without the shredder attachment. So let's switch this on over. Try it now. Okay. I actually want to try this cheese because I haven't tried it yet. Just want to see what it tastes like. I am really excited to put it in my egg bake. It's good. Oh yeah, it's really good. I have my homemade tomato soup. I may have to make some bread and have grilled cheese and tomato soup. Alright, so I'm just going to continue and shred cheese and put it in baggies, and I will show you what I have and we will move on. But look at it. Shreds up so nice and easy, and I'm just going to fill this up and then freeze it. Alright, we'll see you in a bit. So it looks like the 2 cups fit perfectly in the quart size bags. So that is what I'm going to use. Awesome sauce. Hey friends, welcome to my humble homestead. I am going to put together an egg bake. I shredded some cheese up, my Azure Standard cheese that I shredded. So far here, I am going to do this the super easy way. I know Becky on Acre Homestead does an amazing Amish breakfast casserole, which I love, my mom loves. I showed it in another meal prep video, so you can check that out if you like it. But I am just doing a super easy breakfast casserole here, trying to use up some things I have. And then this is going to be a nice big meal prep. So I'm going to do a bunch of these. I'm going to have some for the week. And then as normal, I will freeze some to have ahead and use some of these great products that I got from Azure Standard. So right now in this bowl, what I have is I have some of my breakfast sausage that I got from one of my farmer friends here. I did this super lazy and easy, you guys. I was working today, so I threw this in just in a pan in the oven, threw it, cooked it up that way, and I'm just munching it up. Then I have some onion and green pepper in the freezer. That's just what I have for vegetables frozen. I do have celery, but honestly I thought this was enough. And then I got these hash browns at Azure, so I'm going to throw these in here too because it's really going to bulk it up. They're delicious, and I really bought it for the egg casserole. I was planning on making the Amish casserole, but I didn't have like the sour cream and the other things, so what I'm going to do instead is I am going to throw some, instead of using like milk and stuff with my eggs, I am going to put some real cream for my dairy in here with this. So I'm going to go and I'm probably going to get 24 eggs, and I'm going to beat them with real cream, and I'm going to mix it all in here. So I'm going to go crack my eggs, beat them with the cream, and then I'll bring them over here. I'll mix it in here. And then I'm going to dump it in some baking dishes. Oh, I'm going to put some cheese in here too. So this is the left of the shredded cheese that I have. I'm just going to throw this in here. I might have to. And I also have some raw Monterey Jack that I got. And so I'm going to use this as well. So I think this is going to be amazing. I think I'm going to go get one more thing of shredded cheese and put it in here that I shredded up today. And just take out all the little things here. Because, you know, you got to have enough cheese. And I'm going to go get some of my seasoning that I got at Azure too, the seasoned salt. And I'm going to put that in for some seasoning. And I will be back after I go get my eggs cracked and beat up with that cream. Alright, see you in a bit. Oh, one other thing I'm going to do too. Kick it up a notch, as Emerald would say. I'm going to add one of these yellow jalapenos in here. So I'm going to cut that up and throw it in there too. Alright, be back. Sorry, all my camera battery died. But here it is. So I did just slice up some cheese, the sharp cheddar and the Monterey Jack. Placed it over the top. I got the oven preheating. I'm going to put this in it. I do have to tell you, so if you like sharp cheddar, you'll really like that sharp cheddar. It was really sharp. It'd be good on crackers. I'm not a huge sharp cheddar fan, so it was a bit sharp for me. The Monterey Jack, though, ooh, that is delicious. So I'd have to say that the big block of that mild cheddar, that would have to be my number one favorite. Monterey Jack so far is my second favorite. So thumbs up on the cheese. I'm going to get this in the oven and I will show you it when it's done. I'll probably have some for tomorrow for breakfast. So I'll take a picture and I'll show you what it looks like and let you know how it is. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. Be blessed. Have a great day. And remember your love. Bye.